This thing is awesome. I made this out of none other than pallet wood for free. But that's not the best thing. The best thing is, if I don't like where a shelf is, I can just move the shelf to somewhere else. Let's go! I need some storage for my new closet. And to do that, I'm going to use pallet wood. It's mainly going to be shoe storage, but what's making this organizer different is you're going to be able to move it around. It's flexible, free materials, apart from the screws, easy to find pallets, but I'm just going to start ripping them apart. I've done a bit of experimenting, and this is what I've come up with. This is going to sit against the wall like so. You get your custom-made pallet wood, whatever, and it'll sit in there like so, and you can put whatever you want on there. I do see the problems of, potentially that coming out, but if you make this the perfect size, it should work really well actually. Let's get to making the full thing. We need to cut boards at 370 millimeters. Before we screw these, I recommend laying it all out first. I'm going to try and hide the join here at the bottom. So what I'm going to do, instead of making it flush, put it up a little bit more. Normally you would drill holes before you screw, but this is really soft wood, so I think we should be fine. With this, I literally just screwed. With your screws, make sure they are the best length. If you have two boards, it doesn't go too far. If you go a little bit too deep, it's still fine. It won't poke through the other side. First one is done. Nice and solid, fits a board, and then put your shoe like so. That works pretty good actually. Now we just need to make one more. Then once that's all done, we can figure out some customizable shelf pieces. Going for number 2. Boom! There you go. Now if we put a screw in the wall, it should hold, but you really want it to go into something solid. But I think there's a vertical stud. When you're finding a stud, there's multiple ways to do it. The classic way is knock on the wall method. Try and hear the difference. That works, but it's not exactly accurate. Sometimes the jib is away from the wall a bit. Another way is using an electronic stud finder. You kind of wave it across your wall. It should find a stud. I have found sometimes those don't work well, but there's another method, and that is trying to find the screws with a magnet. You need a reasonably strong magnet, but that usually works pretty well. I've used all 3 methods. Today I'm going to use the knocking method. Now, a good maker makes sure things are accurate. So we're going to use a level to try and make this level. Here goes everything. Yeah, level. Nice and level. Get a screw and the drill. the supports ready. Thin plain boards for the skinny shoes. Belt buckles, I know. These can go and just hang like that. So I'll put these up top. Shoes for getting dirty or running. Again, 2 planks of wood, slot them in. You'll see how it works. Boom. Trying something a bit different, you know, save a bit of space. Belt holder. This is just not working very well, so I'm going to switch it to the small shelves. You open your closet, you need to go out, you're in a little bit of a hurry. Grab a pair of shoes, put them on, grab some sunglasses, maybe a change of clothes, maybe a belt. You change and you head out. You come back, you put your sunglasses away, shoes are at an easy, accessible level. This is great. You can do that with other closet organization stuff. This, I feel like, just maximizes space, and you're not limited to just doing it this wide. You can go super long, you can do an entire wall. You're literally just limited to how much pallet wood you have, and your imagination, and how much stuff you have. If your room is full of stuff, literally to the brim, this isn't gonna do much for you. I did not come up with this idea myself. I got the idea off someone else who created something similar. That's it for this video. This whole closet thing with the room renovations is all part of one big series. Go check out my other stuff if you're interested. See you later.